Alright guys, it's Sharkfat here. Just thought I'd do a really quick video tutorial on how to paint or airbrush stars. So if you're doing like a space scene on a body, or you want to make something shine on the corner like some wording or a window or something like that, you can do it this way. So all you do is you get either a couple of sheets of paper, or in this case a couple of pieces of tape, stick them down, just have a gap right down the centre like that, about 1 mil. That's all you need. And then all you do, I'll try and do this one-handed, you get your airbrush. Now I've already put a line on this so I could see what I was doing. You just paint a little bit. You only want to move it slightly. You don't want a lot of paint going out either. There we go. And then when you pull the tape off, you should be left with a nice little cross like that. And all you have to do, again with your airbrush, I'm going to try and get this on the camera. Put a dot in the middle, and there's your star. So don't forget to subscribe, check out my Facebook page, all that good stuff. Top banana.